Happy Wednesday. So we are having our simulated tasks week where you'll be completing a variety of tasks as a potential administrative assistant. It's not perfect, but it's to allow you to show your skills based on the completion of this particular course and to move on to the next class in the sequence, which would be today's office. I know some of you aren't taking that class in the spring for a variety of reasons, but it does allow you to be better prepared and to show your knowledge. So the best way to start this week, if you haven't already, is to make sure you read the weekly introduction and then progress through the module. You can skip the exam 3 and the MOS practice exam if you want to get started on the simulation. They're just listed in that order in the module because they're not part of the series of assignments for the simulation. Now, a couple of pointers as you get going. First, you don't have to do the tasks in the order that they're given on the duty sheet. They're there in that order for no particular reason. Number 2, this is a job, so the grading will reflect if you have errors on your particular assignments. So make sure you proofread. Make sure that you've paid attention to the comments that I've put on, for instance, last week's weekly document. A few of you are still struggling with letter format, and you want to make sure that you are putting all the parts to the letter in the letter, as well as formatting it correctly. As you go through, there's a variety of tasks that are going to use the tools that we've already been exposed to, I should say, this semester. And you'll have 2 letters, 2 memos, and then just some other topics where you're going to have to communicate. So communication's the key in any administrative role. And so you want to make sure that you are using complete sentences, complete thoughts, and are brief, but not too brief. So as you get going, if you do have a question about a particular task, make sure you reach out to me and ask. It's not meant to be a total independent assignment, but yet it is, because you do need to apply what you already learned and pretend that you're working in this job that's requiring these things for you to do. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. I wish you great success in completing the work. And as far as grading goes, just to let you know, there'll be a total point possible based on each assignment, but then there'll be some curve to that grading scale based on the class results. So I hope you have a great week. Thanks.